Want to shut down a Windows computer directly from PowerShell? It only takes a simple command. In this guide, I'll show you how to shut down Windows normally, add a delay, cancel a scheduled shutdown, and use a force option when necessary. So let's get started. First, open PowerShell from the Windows Start menu or Search. If you're working with system-level commands, you can also choose to run PowerShell as administrator. Before shutting down, make sure you've saved anything important. The simplest PowerShell command for shutting down Windows is Stop Computer. Type Stop Computer and press Enter. Windows will begin shutting down the computer. This is the main PowerShell command to remember for a standard shutdown. You can also use PowerShell to shut down another computer by specifying its name. For example, Stop Computer computer name PC01. This is useful for remote administration, but the remote computer must be configured for remote management, and you need the appropriate permissions. Another option is the built-in shutdown, exe command. From PowerShell, type shutdown, exect60. The /s tells Windows to shut down, while the /t sets a delay in seconds. Here, the computer will shut down after 60 seconds. If you've scheduled a shutdown and need to stop it, use shutdown, exa. The option tells Windows to abort the pending shutdown. So if you change your mind during the countdown, run this command before the timer expires. You can also force a shutdown with shutdown, exect0. The F option forces running applications to close. Be careful with this because unsaved work can be lost. I mean, use it only when a normal shutdown isn't enough. And that's how you can shut down Windows using PowerShell. For a normal shutdown, remember Stop Computer. For timers and additional control, shutdown, exe gives you more options. Just save your work before running any shutdown command.